Good Thursday morning, folks. I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hotman with today's edition of your weather vlog. Pretty much just focusing on this low pressure system throughout the next couple minutes here. That low that produced all the wintry mix, the snowfall, the cloud cover, the gloomy conditions, the cold temperatures. Finally moving off to these, but still, it's going to affect us at least for the next couple days. I'll have more on that in a second. But another thing I'm going to be talking about is if it's ever going to warm up. You know, temperatures have been well below average the last few days, and I'll be letting you know if those temperatures will ever be warming up around the area. And for now, it's not exactly a warm start to the day. Mainly cloudy skies. Once again, still dealing with some scattered and isolated snow showers out there. It's 33 degrees here in Lafayette right now, and that is as of 10:30. Winds are from the northwest, right around 10 miles per hour, but do not let those northwesterly winds fool you, because we are going to be talking about mainly warmer temperatures throughout the afternoon today. In fact, temperatures will be about 2 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday here around Lafayette. We're not going to be seeing that sunshine at least today or tomorrow. That low continues to stall out, now located just northwest of the state of New York. So that is centralized, I should say, not located. That low pressure system as a whole is massive, and that's why it's still affecting us at this point. So it's centralized right over a northwestern part of the state of New York, and that will continue to drag further off to the east throughout the day today. We'll still feel the effects from it tomorrow, but as we go through the day, mainly cloudy skies once again. Temperatures will actually be on the rise. We'll hit 36 degrees later this afternoon. More isolated snow showers can be expected as well as that low pressure system spins. We're getting the northwesterly winds. The low level jet is bringing moisture off of Lake Michigan, and that's going to help produce a few of those isolated snow showers throughout the remainder of the afternoon. But as we get into the evening, the chance for snow will begin to taper off. Also tomorrow as well, a very slim chance of some light flurries for tomorrow. And as far as accumulations go, we're really not talking about anything more than a dusting. Even if that, I would be pretty surprised. 27 degrees, your overnight low temperature tonight into tomorrow morning. Then it's actually going to set us up for a cooler day. Tomorrow's temperatures only warm up to around 33 degrees for your Friday afternoon. We'll have 24 Friday night into Saturday morning, and then things begin to clear on up. High pressure begins to move in from the west, at least higher pressure, pretty large area of it, moves in from the Great Plains, and that's going to do a few things. One, it's going to keep us cool throughout the weekend, but it will keep us clear as well. We'll see decreasing cloud cover gradually on Saturday, into Saturday morning into the afternoon hours. Once we get into Sunday and Monday, though, we're looking at mostly sunny skies come Sunday afternoon. A pretty nice day, 31 degrees, your high temperature, so a little bit on the cool side, but altogether still not too bad. We warm up to 36 degrees on Monday afternoon. Not a bad start to the work week, but as that high pressure system moves to our east, it'll shift those winds from the north on Sunday to the south on Monday, and that is why things are going to be warming up come Monday afternoon. Those mostly sunny skies making for a pretty nice start to your work week. No, I know we're not all big on Mondays, but altogether it should be the nicest day, at least for the next 7 days altogether. 33 degrees will be your high temperature on Tuesday afternoon. We are looking at another low pressure system moving on this time, and that's going to bring another chance of snow. And as of now, the current track has this low pressure system. Sorry about that, folks. This low pressure system is tracking, or at least the latest models have that tracking just to our south, which puts us in prime real estate for some snowfall. As of now, though, still looks like the southern half of the viewing area will be catching a better chance of snow, and maybe even some light accumulations from this system as well. And that's something we're going to continue to monitor, get a better idea where this track is headed as we get towards the beginning of next week. But Tuesday altogether looks to be your next chance for some decent accumulating snowfall. Last few days we've been looking at the models here and there. One model had that Tuesday up around 39 degrees. The latest ones this morning, though, putting temperatures right around the freezing mark for Tuesday. So we are looking at that chance of snow rather than rain as we get to Tuesday afternoon. Now, once that system passes on, we are also looking at some warmer temperatures as well. We're looking at 35 degrees to end your extended forecast. 35 your high temperature next Wednesday with partly cloudy skies. So just a reminder, we are about to get into March. Today is the last day of February. Tomorrow, March 1st. The average high temperature for this time of the year, right around 43 degrees. So not exactly a warm start to your March, but the good news is by the time March ends, I'm pretty confident things will begin to warm up. March 20th, obviously the first day of spring, and it looks like by the latter part of the first week of March, hopefully we can see those temperatures on the rise. Granted, 35 degrees is not exactly a warm temperature as we get towards March 5th and 6th, but altogether, once we get to March 10th, it looks like the longer range models have things really warming up, and we can cross our fingers and hope that those hold true and give us the nice, warm, spring-like conditions that we know we all deserve at this point, folks. But altogether, that's pretty much all I wanted to hit on today. If you have any questions about this forecast, feel free to email Chad, Jesse, and I at weatherteam18@WLFI.com. You can always find us on Twitter at weatherteam18. My personal email address, Cameron.Hotman@WLFI.com for any questions as well. Until tomorrow, folks, I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hotman, signing off.